Hello to all. We are discussing some questions based on the human reproduction, multiple choice questions. First question, fetal ejection reflex. This is a very important term and at least 2 to 3 times from here the question is asked. Fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by. Fetal ejection reflex means the ejection of the fetus from the mother's uterus is actually induced by fully developed fetus, placenta, differentiation of the mammary glands, or both A and B. So yes, it is clearly mentioned in your NCERT that fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by fully developed fetus as well as placenta. So answer must be D, both A and B. Clear? Fetal ejection reflex is induced by fully developed fetus as well as placenta. Fructose is present in the secretion of, we all know fructose is present in the secretion of the seminal vesicle. We have already studied, okay, that fructose is present in the secretion of the seminal vesicle, and fructose is the main energy source for the sperm. So where is seminal vesicle? Here it is. Seminal vesicle, fructose is present in the secretion of seminal vesicle. Question number 2 is having the answer B. Question number 3, male accessory glands includes. So males are having 3 types of accessory glands. One prostate gland, a pair of seminal vesicle, and a pair of bulbourethral gland, also called it as Cowper's gland. So see here, male accessory glands include paired seminal vesicle, yes. Prostate gland, yes. Paired bulbourethral gland, yes. Fourth, all of these, yes. Question number 3 is having the answer D. Question number 4. Largest part of the fallopian tube is. Now here many times I have seen that students make or commit mistake. What they see that infundibulum is the broad part, right, funnel like, so they opt infundibulum. It's wrong. If you see minutely in your NCERT, then it is written that the part which is present just behind the infundibulum, which is the broader part of the oviduct, and that is known as the ampulla. So always remember, largest part of the fallopian tube is not infundibulum. Largest part is ampulla. Largest part is ampulla. So question number 4 is having the answer C. Fifth question. Now which of the following is last part of the oviduct which has a narrow lumen, means narrow cavity, and joins with the uterus? When we view the diagram of the female reproductive system, we see that the oviduct consists of 3 parts: infundibulum, ampulla, and isthmus. And isthmus is the last part of the oviduct which is having a very narrow cavity and it joins with the uterus. So isthmus is here. Question number 5, answer is having B. Question number 6. In humans, at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cells form. Always remember, when meiotic division occur, then from primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes are formed. And when second meiotic division occur, then from secondary spermatocytes, spermatids are formed. Okay. So in humans, at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cell form, it must be the that is the primary spermatocytes, or the question is, just a minute, in humans at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cells form. So what I have said, first meiotic division occur in primary spermatocyte to form secondary spermatocyte, and when second meiotic division occur in secondary, that is the spermatocyte, spermatids are formed. Now what the question is asking, in humans at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cells form. So first meiotic division occur in the primary spermatocyte, and what are formed? Secondary spermatocytes are formed. So answer must be secondary spermatocyte. Is it clear now? There is no confusion. Question number 6 is having the answer C. And when secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis second, then spermatids are formed. Okay. Now coming to the next one, and that is after ovulation, graphene follicle transform into. So we must know that after ovulation, the graphene follicle transforms into corpus luteum, corpus albicans, corpus callosum, or follicular atresia. So after ovulation, the graphene follicle, the empty graphene follicle, transforms into a yellow endocrine structure, right, which later on release progesterone hormone, and that yellow endocrine structure is called as corpus luteum. So question number 7 is having the answer A. Is it clear? Question number 7 is having the answer A, corpus luteum. Fine. So in the next videos also we will be discussing the MCQs of many other topics of the biology which are important for the NEET purpose. Thanks a lot for watching me.